On a LG fridge, when you have this 1FE error code, you replace this fan, which the customer replaced it already. I'm going to show you how it looks. So the way he replaced was he made a small mistake by not pushing this fan blade too much inside, and when he added air, it would keep hitting the bottom of this styrofoam, and the customer would still have the same error code. And you can also see this. See, this is scratch because he did not install it properly. You remove it back again. Of course, you remove this panel, plus maker, everything you remove, and then after that you open this. The first thing you want to do is put it on your feet like this and push hard on it, push it back, reinstall it back in, and spin it with your hand. If it's spinning, you fixed it. Thank you.